To be honest, this does not feel like a sales kit. It feels much more like a treasure chest. Hi everybody, I'm Sabine Lenz, the founder of PaperSpecs, with your weekly dose of paper inspiration. Color has the power to move us in ways few other things can. So when German paper product manufacturer WEPA set its sight on expanding their color napkin offerings into the American marketplace, the design team at Ultra Creative took that capability and ran with it. What they ended up creating feels less like a sales kit and much more like a personal treasure chest featuring seasonal color groupings enhanced by the clever use of laser cut reveals. The sales kit, or let's face it, the handsome walnut box, sports the WEPA name laser engraved on its lid, which can be easily removed thanks to a deep notch on the container's top end. Removing the lid allows a glance at the first of 4 inserts, each boasting a gorgeous, moody photograph representing one of the 4 seasons. Thanks to a clipped corner, you can already get a peek at the vibrantly hued napkin, and this is where the fun begins. That's because the moment you open the insert, you're presented with a gatefold, with each panel featuring simplistic one-color illustrations appropriate to that given season, as well as an equally fitting laser cut reveal at its center. Autumn, for instance, sets the mood with bare trees and a crackling campfire. The laser cutouts are particularly attention-grabbing because they allow the colorful napkin tucked inside to vividly shine through, emphasizing the power of WEPA's offerings inside. And when you're ready to experience the napkin in its full glory, you just lift up the panel and voila! And because this is a sales tool, after all the relevant sales information sits right under the napkin, including a Pantone-like color chip chart displaying all the different napkin colors available and suggested for this season. All were printed UV offset on 140 pounds French paper muscle tone and speckle tone. As a finishing touch, the box also holds a pack of color napkins that can be customized for each sales opportunity. The overall theme and seasonal color groupings cleverly invite a potential customer into the WEPA story and make this a very memorable and meaningful sales kit. As you can see, laser cutting is a technique that allows you to frame your audience's experience. If you are a PaperSpecs Pro member, enjoy the tips and insight and tricks that we collected for you in our guide to laser cutting. Find it at paperspecs.com under the Pros Only tab or follow the link below. Did you enjoy this video? Then please subscribe to our channel. And of course, it would be amazing if you share it with all your friends. And keep sending me your fabulous printed pieces. I love to feature them.